In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a recurring supplier invoice on Kashflow. Whether you're new to Kashflow or are just looking to streamline your invoicing process, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps, ensuring you can automate your invoice management with ease. First, we start by navigating to the Iris Kashflow website. You'll want to make sure you have a stable internet connection and that you're logged into your account to begin this process smoothly. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to click on the Customers tab in the main menu. Doing so brings you to a list of your existing customers. This central hub makes it easy to view and select the customer for whom you're creating a recurring invoice. Simply click on the name of the customer you wish to bill. This action will direct you to their respective customer profile, where you'll find all pertinent information and settings related to that specific client. In the customer's profile, you'll find an option labeled Add Recurring Sales Invoice. Clicking this button initiates the setup for a recurring invoice, making it hassle-free to configure regular billing cycles with your client. Now it's time to fill in the necessary details for the invoice. Start by entering the purchase order number if applicable. Having the purchase order in place is crucial for maintaining organized records and ensuring that both parties can easily track the transaction. Next, you'll want to type in a description of the invoice. This is a brief yet comprehensive summary of what the invoice covers, whether it's for goods provided, services rendered, or another charge. Clear descriptions can prevent misunderstandings and ensure your client is well informed about the specifics of the billing. After entering the description, click on Date Substitutions, and date substitutions are remarkably useful in automating